Hello everybody, I have got a special package from jaykay18. I am just now opening this box. I've had it for a little while, but with October and everything that happened, I haven't had around to it. Today I found that round to it, so we'll unseal this and see what we got. I'm going to be careful and make sure there's no addresses visible on the way, so I will check it carefully as I take things out of the box. Oh, we have got a letter. Make sure there's nothing on there that is personal. So, there's the letter. I'll read that off camera. It's got everything that's included in the package. So enjoy the goodies. Thanks for the great content, and I'll see you on the tube. Sincerely, jaykay18. All right. We've got a GE clock radio, computer headset, vacuum sealer that's knackered, 2 flashlights, rod and reel grease and oil. That's cool. Good for O-rings and whatnot. So I'll study on that note there more carefully, and we'll go from there. All right, there is a address on that one, so I'll open it over here. And this is the first item on the list, or the first item out of the box. Some rod and reel grease and oil. That'll be handy for some fishing trips, hopefully next year. My uncle has some rod and reels. I can probably fix on them a little bit for him. Let's see, what do we got next? This one's heavy. Don't see any addresses on that one, so I think that one should be safe. Okay, this is the clock from jaykay18 that was his mother's, and this is going to be one of my winter projects. Apparently the clock doesn't work. It's got a date code of 2051. I will have to look that up. I can't remember the GE date code. If somebody comments before I get around to figuring that out, feel free to put that in the comments. Looks like somebody had painted a room and got some paint on it. I may be able to get that off. Quick story on that. I had a relative borrow my 1984 PH405, which was only a year old at the time, and they took it on a paint job to the job site, and it came back almost solid white. As a 9-year-old kid, I hit the ceiling when I saw that. So I scrubbed on it and finally got the paint off of it. So I was not real happy about that, still not, because the thing was mint condition. Let's take a look at the next item. I bet this is a flashlight. Oh, look at that. It's an Eveready. That is quite vintage. Let me see if I can get the old metal polish on that and see if I can put some shine back into it. It appears to take D-cell batteries, which that's no problem. I have D-cell batteries, so that's the Next item on the list. Interesting. Oh, you push that little black button in to turn it on and off. That's pretty good beefy feeling switch. I like that. Let's see. Oop. There's a second flashlight. This here. See if the note says anything about this one. Some green flashlight that was possibly his grandmother's. So that's kind of cool. Look like that one might take C batteries. And the assembly's a bit knackered. It's alright. Might take double A's. Have to see what we can do with this. That's some kind of, just a trim ring. I bet I could glue that on where it wouldn't come off. Just a little bit of glue. Let's see what we got here. Pro gaming headset. That looks a bit on the China Pride side, but that's okay. The price is right, so we'll definitely be checking that out as time goes on. My plan is to make a video about each one of these items. And I bet this is the vacuum sealer. No addresses on this one, so that's a good thing. Oh yeah. And there's a top secret plan for this guy. Don't vacuum juicy food or liquid. Alright. I think this one's a bit knackered, as it stated in the letter. And there's the power cord. So, after Christmas and all that settles down a little bit, I'll start getting into this. I just wanted to make a video of opening this box on camera and going through the contents. So this should be some good stuff. So once again, big thanks to jaykay18. So once again, thank you for watching.